Yeah. Only the finest of the finest. Right?
Okay, I don't appreciate anything though.
Ah, well. Oh, well.
I didn't know.
Damn, man. Okay, I already know this.
Okay.
So this, the junior teacher.
Oh yeah?
What? Nice one.
That's actually that junior teacher, bro. Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's cute. That's cute.
Yeah.
But I don't know, I'm not a kid. Look at them.
Yeah, man, I got another one.
Yeah. Babe, come on.
Yeah, man.
Put your money where your mouth there. Otherwise, nobody
Oh my gosh, babe, look at
no,
this.
you say you pull up a cashier. Say you have money for that shit. Them nowadays, girl, they no friends.
Yes,
At least when them step
Yeah.
up, yeah.
Can I
So I'll post him man out there. Put your money where your mouth there.